Welcome to Devyagya. Today we will learn how to play Meed. If we say what is Meed, how to explain it, it's an technical term used in music, both in instrumental and vocal form. It's an ornament, you can say, which express the beauty of any composition or any raga or any song. While taking Meed, the note is taken very firmly. Either you can take the next note or the third note or from one note to other note, but very smoothly, very softly we need to sing or play the note. So, coming to the technical part, what we do, we pull the string downward. Can you see my fingers are going down? I am pulling my finger downwards. Sometimes I have noticed somebody taking Meed, you just give too much of effort that your elbow, you just shift your elbow this side or this way. No, you just need to keep your hand firmly and just pull your string downwards. The first important thing. And second, we never keep both the fingers together while taking Meed. We should keep both the fingers apart. It is better to keep your first finger on the previous note and the second finger on the next fret, the second note. Or if there is too much of gap, then you just keep your finger close to your second finger, but do not keep both of them together. Why? Because if you keep both the fingers together, you won't be able to take Meed easily. So while taking Meed, it's very important to keep your both the fingers in a distance. Right? Suppose we are taking one note Meed from Sa to Re to Ga, then we will pull the string with our middle finger. Like Sa to Re in Da stroke. You'll play Da on Sa and then you will pull till the next note, that is Re. So I am pulling Sa to Re is in ascending order. So this kind of Meed we can say is Seedhi Meed, the ascending order. Right? Now if you come from Re to Sa, that is descending order, or we say Ulti Meed, coming backward. This is forward, Sa to Re, and the backward. So now I am taking only one note Meed, means the one next note Meed, Sa to Re, pulling from Sa fret with middle finger, Da stroke, Sa to Re. Now Re to Sa in Ra stroke, very slowly. I'm repeating again. Re Sa. For beginners, you should be very careful that when you're pulling the string, you should know that whether you are pulling it correctly or not. How come you know that this is Re? You might be pulling, this is not Re. So first you play on fret. Listen Re frequency very carefully. What the sound of Re is. So Sa, Re. You might be wrong when you just start playing. So Sa, Re. Listen to Re very carefully. Now you try to pull and match that frequency, that sound of Re. So now you will not come back. Your finger should be steady on Re. It shouldn't be shaky. Now with Ra stroke from Re, you come back to Sa. Both ascending and descending, forward and backward. Now I will play on each note from Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Sa to Re, from Sa fret, Re to Ga, from Re. You just follow. So Sa to Re, Da, Re to Sa, Ra, then Re, Ga, Ga, Re. First listen. So Re, Ga, Ga, Re. Got it? Ga, Ma, Ma, Ga, pulling from Ga fret, Ma, Pa, Pa, Ma, pulling from Ma fret, middle finger, Ra stroke, Pa, Dha, Dha, Pa, Dhani, Nisa, we can go more further. Sa, Re, Re, Sa, Ga, Re, similarly lower octave also. Nisa, Sa, Ni, pulling from Ni, Dhani, Ni, Dha, pulling from Dha, slow, Pa, Dha, Dha, Pa, got it? So this way you can practice one note Meed. Now you can also play from Sa, Re, Re, Ga from Sa fret. Like now from Re you pull to Ga from Sa fret. Now come back Ga, Re, Re, Sa. Repeating again. Then Re, Ga, Ga, Ma, Ma, Ga, Ga, Re. From Ga, Ga, Ma, Da stroke. Then Ra, Ma, Pa. Pa, Ma is your Ga, Da stroke. Ma, Ga, Re, Ra stroke. Repeating again. Ga, Ma, Ma, Pa. Pa, Ma, Ma, Ga. Now from Ma fret, Ma, Pa, Pa, Dha, Dha, Pa, Pa, Ma. Now from Pa fret, Pa, Dha, Dha, Ni, Ni, Dha, Dha, Pa. From Dha fret, Dha, Ni, Ni, Sa. Sa, Ni, Ni, Dha. From Ni fret, Ni, Sa, Sa, Re, Re, Sa, Sa, Ni. From Sa fret, Sa, Re, Re, Ga, Ga, Re, Re, Sa. I'll play once. Re fret, Ga fret, Ma fret, Ma, Pa. Padha, Dhani, Nidha, Dhapa, Sare, Gare, Resa. Got it? Now you can take Meed by skipping one note, like Sa Ga to Ga Sa. Let us try. Ga Sa. Re Ma, Ma Re. Ga Pa, Pa Ga. Ma Dha, Dha Ma. Pa Ni, Ni Pa. Ni Dha Sa, Sa Dha. Ni Re, Re Ni. Sa Ga, Ga Sa. Got it? You try this. These Meed are why important, especially when you play some song. Meed is very much important while playing song, so that you can play that song very close to vocal form. So this Meed you can take up to the next note or the third note or fourth. In average you can take up to 5 notes, like Sa to Re, Sa to Ga, Sa to Ma, Sa to Pa. Let's try and see. Like Sa to Re, Sa Ga, Sa Ma, Sa Pa, Sa Pa. Got it? So I'm playing only on Shuddha Swaras. So Sare, Saga, Sama, Sapa. So you can try this. Now, in playing Meed, let me give you an example by playing Alap on some raga. Let us take an evening melody, Bihag. So, how will you play the Meed? Suppose a very important phrase of Bihag, Pa Ma Ga Ma Ga. So, what I'm doing? Pulling from Ga to Pa. But we'll say Pa Ma. Actually it is Ga Pa Ma. So this is the way we apply Meed on any raga. Now suppose you are playing any song. Let us take in Bihag Rag only. It's a very beautiful Hindi song, Zindagi Ke Safar Mein. So if you take Meed, it will be very close to vocal form. Let me try for you. So I'm not playing on fret. what I'm doing? I'm pulling from dha. Pulling from ga. Pa or dha. So this is the way we apply the notes beautifully by playing Meed. We add beauty in any song or any raga. But let me clear one thing. Like in the song, the pulling of string, the technique, all we cannot say is Meed. Like, this is not Meed. This is Meed. This is Meed. Because not only pulling the string is Meed, there are many other technique in instrumental music. We say gamak, we say karn, we say murki. So the slow technique of playing the note is Meed. We pull the note, we play the note, or we sing very firmly. Hope it's clear to you. So try to play these Meed. Like my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.